Hi Ram. So yesterday we did kulcha. Today I am going to teach you how to make katti roll. Uh, See, children like to have rotis than rice. That I have noticed. Provided the roti is very tasty. Yesterday I made kulcha. You try and see. Just try one or two and see. Children are going to just love it. So today's recipe is for katti roll. This katti roll is again very healthy food because it has lots of vegetables in it, tofu, of course, the wheat, a little bit of ghee, and along with that, I'm going to make something called tomato ki sabji. Many people are asking me for sabji without pyaz. They don't want onion or garlic. So I thought, let me teach this sabji also, which is very easy actually. If you go out and come, or after having an office call, your children are very hungry, you want to just make something very fast, even whether you make upma, pongal, anything, you can add the sabji as a side dish. Hardly takes any time. Okay. For this sabji, let me start with sabji because you have to make it ready. You have to take this size tomatoes. If it is for 4 people, 2 tomatoes are more than enough. See, it's a huge one. Okay. You can even take not in the curry. Then this size 2 piyaj, onion. Okay. You just chop them into small pieces and keep it ready. Then for this katti roll, we have to start with so many things that are required. I'll just take this camera and show you what are the things that are required. See, I have arranged all these things in advance. Okay, see. Hope it is clear. Now, what is it that is required is, number one, the regular atta. I somewhat like Ashirwad atta because it gives a very nice taste. I'm not advertising for this product, but I'm telling you, it gives a very good taste. You'll be wondering, this is the next thing you need. It's a katti roll, no? This is very, very important because that will only hold the chapati into a roll and then it is easy for you to eat. Now, vegetables, same old shimla mirchi, 1 piece of cauliflower, 1 pyaj, 1 potato, 1 carrot, 2-3 beans, adrak, and tofu, 1 small piece, or any cheese, paneer, or cheese, paneer. Okay. Then, other thing that you require is salt, chili powder, turmeric, this. You know why this is used? Because it won't cause any acidity and you won't get any stomach ache. That is why. Okay. Now I'm going to start making the dough so that it's a different way of making this dough. How it is, you will know. Okay. I'm taking a vessel, water, atta, salt, this, and turmeric. This is for making the dough for that. Okay. For the roti. Sorry. Now, if you want to make, let's say it's so heavy that nobody can eat more than 2. So assuming there are 4 members in the house, in this glass I'm taking 3/4 water. Okay, then I don't know to use salt with a spoon, so I will use my hand. My hands are clean. Little salt to taste. Okay, lime. Haldi. Then chili powder. This is for atta itself. I am using all this. Okay. Then you have to make for the sabji also. This is for atta. Very little chili powder. Very little. No? About 2-3 pinches, so that it will add to the flavor. Now I am going to make the dough. See, this is ready. Water, salt, haldi, mirchi powder, and now I am going to add. I told you, no, if it is for 2 people, you need about 6 katti rolls. It will be too heavy, and for 4 it can be 12 or 13 should enough. Okay. Now I am going to make only for 2 people, because if I make extra, there is nobody to eat, and I don't feel like carrying it over the next day. I believe in eating only fresh food. Okay. Now this is ready. So I am going to do this atta. See, because it's Ashirwad atta, that's the beauty. You know, as I'm doing like this, it's already ready. I didn't even do anything. See, and it feels so nice in your hand, soft. Everybody likes to have soft rotis. So this is ready. I have made dough for about 6 to 8. I can make in this 6 to 8, which is too much for us because only 2 of us are here. I wish I could share it with all of you and get your comments on it. Now, what is it I'm adding is about half a spoon of oil, so that this atta that is stuck to my hand, no, it will just get removed. Okay, so the atta is ready. See, I'm just doing it on this pot. Some people say that you have to make the dough and keep and all, nothing of that sort. This will be equally soft, very soft it will be. Okay, chalo, this is ready. Now I'm just leaving it aside and keeping it covered. Now next that I'm going to do is cut all the vegetables. Now cutting vegetables is, you have to be very careful, because this is katti roll. In katti roll, what happens, we put the sabji, it's stuff, and as you're eating, if it is a huge piece, it will get stuck. Therefore, you should cut it into small pieces, very small pieces. Only then it will get cooked nicely and you will relish it. Even old people know, who have difficulty in chewing, will eat this and relish it. Sometimes what happens, very old people are there at home, means you can scrape some of these sabjis. That is carrot, you can scrape. Of course, potato will get boiled. Even cauliflower will get boiled. It gets cooked very easily. Okay. So now I am going to cut all these vegetables into small pieces. Okay. Once that is ready, I will continue.